now in a world where most homes and businesses rely on computers. So what should you do when it's time to sell or recycle your old equipment? Because nobody wants personal info to be dug up on their old PC, right? And simply hitting delete or resetting doesn't guarantee your data is actually gone. Redkey is the solution you need to wipe any computer 100% safely and securely. It looks like an ordinary USB stick, but it's completely different. It's designed to erase data, not store it. Simply plug it into your computer before startup and initiate the wipe with the easy-to-use system that's embedded into the key. Order a Redkey USB now, and your data will truly be gone forever.
This is the Pivot Knife Sharpener by WorkSharp. Pivot has the convex carbide with pivot response for initial sharpening. The convex carbide up here has the pivot response, so it allows for sharper edge on the carbide, so I can actually sharpen faster if I have a really dull knife. The convex blade shape allows for quick sharpening and a smooth cut. And then you flip it over and use the ceramic rods to hone that edge to a razor finish. It also has a diamond plate on the side for sharpening tools, and it has a groove in there for sharpening fish hooks. This thing's awesome for going where you go and sharpening what you need sharpened.
Introducing Zeus, the world's first truly smart car charger. Designed in Germany, Zeus has both brains and beauty. The elegant shine lighting system provides enhanced visibility in dark environments. And most importantly, Zeus is the only smart charger that can help you find your car. When you're at a loss, simply open the Zeus app and follow the red arrow to find your car. Zeus also sports a powerful smart chipset to deliver the swiftest charge to any device. Charge 2 iPads at 2 times the speed of normal car chargers. Zeus is also the only charger to meet US military high-temperature standard. Another reason why Zeus is different. 2 times the speed, 2 times smarter, never lose your car.